Create your own holiday magic with a realistic, durable, and beautifully versatile Christmas tree. Naomi Home Present, the Lucille full-body artificial Christmas tree. Your perfect blank canvas for the holiday season. Crafted with realistic lifelike branches in rich natural greens. Every detail is designed to mimic the look and feel of a fresh-cut evergreen. Built from high-quality, durable materials, this full-body tree is made to last year after year. Strong, sturdy, and designed for a hassle-free setup. A tree that completes the holiday picture, beautiful, full, and ready for those special moments. The full-body artificial Christmas tree comes in various sizes such as 6.5 feet, 7.5 feet, and 9 feet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.